everyone! My name's Helena and I'm a PhD student at Imperial College London. My research consists of making new potential treatments using nanomaterials to treat cancer immunotherapy. Here's a photo of me in front of a very fancy piece of equipment called flow cytometry that I use to analyse if my drugs are successful or not. So here, roughly, is one of the drugs that I make. It's really complicated, as you can see, and I make it from some things that starts like this. So as I'm sure you can imagine, to get from this to this, there's quite a few steps involved in between. Then I add my drug to real life cells, which I think is really exciting because I get to test if my drug actually activates white blood cells to make them better at killing cancer cells. So here's a test of what cells look like when I haven't added my drug. So every single dot in here, like this is a dot, that's a dot, here there are loads of dots, every single dot is a cell. And here, so you can see that 0% of the cells are bound to my drug when my drug isn't there, which is very good. Then when I do add my drug, hopefully you can see that this graph looks really, really different. Most of the cells, almost 100%, have bound. As well as my research, I'm also the president of Imperial College's Women in STEM Association, and I'm involved with the National Women's Engineering Society, which is also known as WES. In WES, I am the new chair for 2020 to 2021 of the University Group's board, and I've taken over from Tymele, who was the chair last year. So today, Tymele and I are going to compete against each other in a STEM quiz, which we're really excited for. It will also really be nice to do something social and get to see Tymele again, because we worked together last year when she was the chair of the UGB and did an amazing job and set up loads of exciting work that we're hopefully going to continue this year. Thanks also to Kim from the Hertfordshire cluster for setting all of this up. So I hope that you have fun watching the quiz. Hopefully I'll do okay. I don't know what to expect. And I hope that you learn something during the quiz. I hope I will too. I'm sure I will. So see you all later. Bye.
Welcome back. It's round 2, and this round is on physics and space. Okay, so why does a helium-filled balloon float?
Meow. Because the density of the gas is lighter than air.
Yes, the helium is less dense than air. Woo!
Yeah.
I could see, Tymele, that you were ready.
Yes. Oh, now my cat is in the video.
Is it? Name a renewable energy source.
Meow. Wind.
Oh, yes, you're correct. Another point to Helena. Ooh.
Nice.
Yay. We've got this right. What is the name of the second biggest planet in our solar system? Second biggest planet.
Meow. Saturn.
Correct. Saturn is the least dense planet in the solar system and is mostly made up of hydrogen helium gas. The planet is orbited by rings of particles mostly made of water ice and has 60 moons.
Ooh, wow, okay. I was trying to remember, that song that you have when you're a kid about in what order they are and everything, and I was trying to kind of remember, and I was like, no, I just don't know, so.
Yeah, I knew Jupiter was the biggest.
Next question for round 2, question 4. A magnifying glass is what type of lens?
What? How? It's convergent.
Correct. A convex or converging lens is thicker in the middle than on the ends. When shone through a convex lens, parallel light rays will meet at a point beyond the lens. So you're right. Woo! Another point for Tymele. Final question for round 2. The world's largest high-energy particle accelerator can be found 175 meters below the Earth's surface in Switzerland. What is it called?
Meow. Large Hadron Collider.
Yes, correct. Ooh, you got it right. Another point.